Mia was a bright girl who lived in a small, crumbling apartment in a bustling city. Her family was struggling. They had little money and even fewer possessions. Mia had a father, a mother, and a young brother named Leo. Despite their hardships, they found joy in the little things and shared a strong bond. One day, everything changed. Mia's father lost his job unexpectedly. The family was devastated. They had relied on his income for everything. As weeks turned into months, their savings dwindled. Mia watched her parents grow more anxious, and the weight of their worries felt heavy in the air. Mia's father fell ill due to stress and lack of proper nutrition. They couldn't afford a doctor, and soon he became bedridden. The family tried to stay hopeful, but as days passed, hope faded alongside their food supplies. One fateful morning, Mia's father passed away. The news shattered their family. Mia and Leo cried, holding each other tightly, while their mother tried to remain strong for them. With their father gone, their mother struggled to make ends meet. She took on multiple jobs, cleaning houses, working as a cashier, and even babysitting. Despite her tireless efforts, they often want to be hungry. Mia felt a deep sorrow. She wanted to help her mother and brother, but she was only a child. One evening, as they sat together in their darkened living room, Mia made a promise to herself. "I will change our lives. I will work hard and make sure Leo and Mom are happy again." Inspired by her determination, Mia turned to her studies. She loved to learn and spent hours reading old textbooks she found in a nearby used bookshop. Every night after finishing her homework, Mia would practice her writing and mathematics diligently. She sought out small jobs to contribute to the family. She delivered newspapers, sold homemade crafts, and helped neighbors with chores. Though the work was tiring, Mia pushed through with a fierce determination. At school, Mia faced challenges as well. Some kids teased her for her worn-out clothes and the smell of poverty that clung to her. But she remembered her promise. She focused on her studies, and her teachers noticed her dedication. They encouraged her, and one teacher, Mrs. Thompson, became a mentor. She recognized Mia's potential and helped her apply for a scholarship. With Mrs. Thompson's guidance, Mia earned a scholarship to a prestigious high school. It was a turning point. Mia was surrounded by students from wealthy families, but she never fell out of place. She excelled in her studies and made friends who admired her strength. As the years passed, Mia continued to work hard. She took on part-time jobs, studied late into the night, and never lost sight of her goal. She graduated high school with top honors and received a full scholarship to a prominent university. Her mother and Leo cheered her on, tears of pride in their eyes. At university, Mia faced new challenges, but she was ready. She immersed herself in her studies, majoring in business with a focus on social entrepreneurship. She wanted to create opportunities for others like her. During her time there, she developed a program to help underprivileged children gain access to education and resources. After graduating, Mia landed a job at a renowned corporation. She worked hard, impressing her colleagues with her innovative ideas and relentless work ethic. Soon she was promoted to a managerial position where she continued to advocate for social change within the company. Years later, Mia became the CEO of the corporation. She didn't forget her roots. She used her success to give back to the community. She established scholarship programs and funded initiatives to help families in need. Mia built schools in impoverished neighborhoods and provided mentorship to young girls, encouraged them to pursue their dreams. Mia often reflected on her journey, remembering the nights spent studying by candlelight and the sacrifices her family made. One day she invited her mother and Leo to the grand opening of a new community center named after her father. As they stood together, Mia felt a rush of gratitude. "Look at what we have achieved together," she said, her voice filled with emotion. Her mother hugged her tightly, tears streaming down her face. "You have made us so proud, Mia. You have turned our pain into purpose." Mia smiled, knowing she had fulfilled her promise. She had transformed her life and the lives of many others. Her story became a beacon of hope for those who struggled, proving that with determination, hard work, and a kind heart, anything is possible. Mia's journey was not just her own, it was a testament to resilience and the power of love. She continued to inspire countless others to believe in themselves and to strive for a better future. And through it all, Mia never forgot the lessons learned in her childhood, always reminding others, never give up, your dreams are worth fighting for. I hope you enjoyed the story.